So you'll want to take your traditional carrots, celery, and onion and some olive oil, start sauteing those in your stock pot here until the onions get a little bit brown or start turning translucent. And then you'll want to add my favorite ingredient, the garlic. So we'll dump that in here right now.
Now it's really going to start smelling wonderful.
So you'll just kind of stir that until it does get fragrant, about a minute. And then the easiest part of the recipe is just to add all the other ingredients. Like I said, this is very customizable. Use what you have on hand. But for our recipe today, we've got some cannellini beans, some kale, of course our leftover ham just chopped up into cubes, some roasted tomatoes, just a can of roasted tomatoes, some herbs, chicken stock, and of course the best ingredient, our crusty bread croutons that we'll add at the end. So once your garlic gets pretty fragrant, you can just go ahead and start adding everything else to the pot. So we'll go ahead and just add it in. My favorite kind of recipe, you just dump everything in and it's pretty much done. Throw our herbs in. You'll remove those at the end. They're just in there to kind of simmer. You'll stir everything together in here and bring it to a simmer and let it simmer there for about 15 to 20 minutes. Taste it, season as needed, and we magically have a pot already done here so I can kind of show you the finished product.
Perfect. I love how that happens. Now I know chicken is usually kind of your star of soups, but I think pork just kind of takes it to the next level, doesn't it?
And it's easy because it's already cooked. So you really just take it out of the fridge, cut it into cubes, and you're good. So get a nice bowl here full of all the veggies and flavors. Then we add my favorite part, the crusty bread croutons. You can either throw these on the grill, you can toast them up in your oven, olive oil, get them nice and toasty. Add it as a garnish to your soup. Add some Parmesan cheese to the top. And I like to have some extra bread on the side with mine, but it really just looks hearty and beautiful, and without the bread, you know, can be frozen and saved for later as well.